Forex trading, the global marketplace for exchanging national currencies, presents countless opportunities for traders. However, success requires more than just buying and selling, it demands a strategic approach. In this guide, we will explore 10 key trading strategies that help traders maximize their gains while managing risks effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding these strategies can improve your decision-making and increase your chances of success in the Forex market. 1. Trend following strategy. The trend following strategy is based on the principle of the trend is your friend. Traders identify upward or downward trends and make trades accordingly. Moving averages, trend lines, and indicators like MACD help in recognizing trends. This strategy requires patience and works best in markets with strong directional movements. Traders often set stop-loss orders to minimize potential losses. Identifying entry and exit points is crucial, and traders may use higher timeframes for better accuracy. Combining trend following with other indicators improves reliability. This strategy is widely used by both beginners and professionals. 2. Scalping strategy. Scalping is a fast-paced trading strategy that involves making multiple small trades to capture tiny price movements. Scalpers aim to make quick profits, often holding trades for just seconds or minutes. High liquidity pairs, like EUR, USD, are preferred due to their tight spreads. This strategy requires a reliable internet connection and a quick execution platform. Scalping can be highly stressful but profitable for traders who master it. Discipline and precision are critical for success. Traders rely on indicators such as Bollinger Bands and RSI. Risk management is essential, as frequent trading can lead to cumulative losses. Many brokers discourage scalping due to the rapid trade execution. 3. Day trading strategy. Day trading involves entering and exiting trades within a single trading day to avoid overnight risks. Traders analyze charts, economic news, and technical indicators to find profitable opportunities. Timeframes like 15-minute or 1-hour charts are commonly used. This strategy eliminates the risk of overnight market gaps. However, it requires significant time commitment and strong analytical skills. Risk management techniques, such as stop-loss and take-profit orders, are crucial. Successful day traders remain disciplined and follow a strict trading plan. Market volatility is an advantage, as it provides more opportunities for profits. Beginners should start with a demo account before trading real money. 4. Swing trading strategy. Swing trading involves holding positions for several days or weeks to capture medium-term price movements. This strategy is suitable for traders who cannot monitor the market constantly. Technical and fundamental analysis play a key role in identifying trade setups. Swing traders use indicators like Fibonacci retracements and moving averages. Patience is required, as trades may take time to develop. Stop-loss and take-profit levels help manage risks. Swing trading works best in trending markets with clear price swings. This strategy provides a balance between short-term and long-term trading. Traders must avoid emotional decisions and stick to their plan. 5. Breakout trading strategy. Breakout trading involves identifying key support and resistance levels and entering trades when price breaks these levels. Traders look for strong price movements accompanied by high trading volume. A breakout signals a potential new trend or a continuation of the existing trend. Stop-loss orders are placed just outside the breakout zone to manage risk. False breakouts are common, so traders must confirm breakouts using additional indicators. Popular breakout patterns include triangles, flags, and rectangles. This strategy works well in volatile markets. Traders should avoid entering positions too early before confirmation. 6. Range trading strategy. Range trading involves buying at support levels and selling at resistance levels within a defined price range. This strategy works best in markets without strong trends. Traders use technical indicators like Bollinger Bands and RSI to identify overbought and oversold conditions. A stop-loss is placed slightly outside the range to prevent excessive losses. Patience and discipline are required, as trades may take time to develop. Traders should avoid range trading in highly volatile or trending markets. Combining this strategy with fundamental analysis improves accuracy. It is an ideal strategy for traders who prefer a steady and predictable trading approach. 7. Carry trade strategy. The carry trade strategy involves borrowing a currency with a low interest rate and investing in a currency with a high interest rate. Traders earn profits from interest rate differentials and potential price appreciation. This strategy works well in stable economic conditions. Central bank policies and interest rate decisions significantly impact carry trades. Long-term holding is required to benefit from interest rate differences. Traders must be cautious of sudden market fluctuations that can lead to losses. Proper risk management is crucial when using leverage in carry trades. Currency pairs with large interest rate differences, like AUD, JPY, are commonly used. 8. News trading strategy. News trading involves making trades based on economic announcements and geopolitical events. Traders monitor financial calendars for key events like interest rate decisions, GDP reports, and employment data. Markets can be highly volatile after major news releases. Quick execution is required to capitalize on price movements. Spreads may widen during news events, increasing trading costs. Traders must distinguish between expected and unexpected news impacts. Risk management techniques, such as setting stop-loss orders, are essential. News traders need to stay updated with economic trends. This strategy requires experience in interpreting fundamental data effectively. 9. Algorithmic trading strategy. Algorithmic trading uses automated programs to execute trades based on predefined rules. Traders develop algorithms using historical data and technical indicators. Speed and accuracy are key advantages of algorithmic trading. Bots eliminate emotional decision-making, leading to consistent results. High-frequency trading, HFT, is a subset of algorithmic trading. This strategy requires knowledge of programming languages like Python or MQL4. Market conditions must be constantly monitored to adjust algorithms accordingly. Algorithmic trading is widely used by institutions and hedge funds. Retail traders can also benefit by using pre-built trading bots. 10. Position trading strategy. Position trading is a long-term strategy where traders hold positions for weeks, months, or even years. Fundamental analysis is heavily used to determine trade direction. Major economic trends, interest rates, and geopolitical events influence positions. This strategy requires patience, as short-term market fluctuations are ignored. Large stop-loss levels are used to withstand market volatility. Position traders aim for significant price movements and high returns. Trading costs are lower due to fewer transactions. This strategy is ideal for traders who prefer a less time-intensive approach. Strong risk management is crucial for long-term success. Choosing the right Forex trading strategy depends on your risk tolerance, trading style, and market conditions. Whether you prefer fast-paced trading like scalping or long-term investing like position trading, understanding each strategy's strengths and weaknesses is crucial. Consistency, discipline, and continuous learning are key to success. Always use proper risk management techniques to protect your capital. By mastering different trading strategies, you can navigate the Forex market with confidence and increase your chances of long-term profitability. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Enjoy your trading and earning.